Okay, welcome back to our channel, The Catalyst. So, we are going to continue with insertion, which we started the last class. In the last class, we did records for the student table. So, presently, I already did the records for the subject table. These are the records I made for the subject table, as you can see on your screen here. So today we are going to, right away, we are going to do that of the offers table. Now, the reason why I decided to do a special lesson on recording of data in a table that contains foreign keys, because most of the times it's quite difficult. Like I earlier said, or like I said in the previous lesson, I said it is advisable to always start when you want to do records. It's always advisable to start with tables that do not contain foreign keys. Reason why: we did our record for the subject table and student table, but we did not dive directly into offers table. So now we are going to see how to do records in a table that has a foreign key. So to do that, we'll just move to insert. Voilà. We'll do it visually as well as we'll do it using SQL command. So visually, this is our value. When you click here, SN, now the value for the SID, of course, we have to take a value that is already found in the database. Okay, in the table student, we have student with ID 2, which is a female, of course. So we just have to choose from here. So I'll just choose any record. Yes, I also have to choose the subject. What's the subject code? 795, which is computer science. Then the number of hours, of course, 8 hours. Okay, I'll move down to the second record. Anyway, I have to do, let's say, 5 records. Let's do 5 records. So I'll change it to 5. Okay. Now we'll move to the next record. I will choose maybe the same student, and that student offers physics too. Okay. Number of hours 10. Okay. Now the next student, maybe I'll take this student that offers computer science. Yes, number of periods. Maybe let me just correct this. Put it this way. It's better that way. Number of periods 8. Okay. So SID, the next record, I'll take another student. Yeah. It offers history. That student offers history 8 hours. So we'll go to this. This is the last record. I'll choose just a random, let's say French. Okay. And 6 hours for French. Once you've done that, you can click on go so that it does the insertion. Click on go now. You can see this is the SQL command, which I will copy and just modify. I will copy this. I'll copy it and modify when we'll be doing the SQL code. Anyway, I need not do that. Okay, so the insertion has already been done. So, and we can see that once we go to structure. Okay. Oh, sorry, browse. These are the 5 records that we've done. So I'm going to do now we are going to see how to create how to do an insertion, or how to add a record in this table using SQL command. So to do that, we'll click on SQL. So I'll erase this, click on insert. It has given me this. Oh, what am I going to put here? SID, the value for SID, I will choose 2. For instance, that is subject code 795, and then number of hours, I'll put 8. Okay, I'll do just one record. Okay, if we put the semicolon, whether we put it or we don't put, it is still okay in um, MySQL, or better still in PHP MyAdmin. Okay, so once we do that, we click on, because it is indicated here that the delimiter is semicolon. Okay, so I don't need to put it here. I don't need to put it here. So just click on go, and you can see it's done. So let's check. Now we have 6 records, which is okay. So that is it for records. Thank you very much for watching. And please, if you are not yet part of our community, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, and share our videos. See you in our next class, and God bless you.